Hey guys, quick video. Cliff with Funny Bug Bees here and Woodworks. If you haven't done so, just check out our website. Found a swarm today in a tree, and I know it was my swarm because it's right in my yard. I've been a little busy with the business lately, building beekeeping equipment to check on a few of my own hives. So one of them swarmed, and I saw it. I saw them. There was nothing but a huge cloud of bees out here, so I saw them as soon as they left the hive, and I just waited a little while for them to light on that tree over there. And as soon as they did, and it was a big old swarm, as soon as they did, I got a nuke box and went out there and shook them into it and got them all situated. And that box, if you can see, is the one right there on that yellow bucket. That's the swarm that came out of the tree today. So I caught them. And I came back over here to check on the hive that they came out of, because I saw them leave. I know which hive they came from. And as soon as I opened it up, man, I knew I had to do something. There's, I don't know, at least 9 queen cells in that box. So what I did was went and got 4 of the commercial grade nukes that we sell, or 5 of them, sorry, real quick. There's these 4 right here and 1 right there. So right now what I'm doing, I dumped a bunch of bees in this one here out of the original hive, nurse bees, and all these over here I stacked where the original hive was. That's the original hive right there on the ground, these boxes right here. So that's the location where that hive was. So the reason that I put those there is so as the forager bees, as the workers come back, they'll split themselves amongst those 4 boxes. I did dump some bees in those boxes too, but I want the foragers to split themselves amongst these 4 boxes as they come back from the field, so they can help with raising that queen. Now the queens are about to emerge. 2 of the queens that I found in the original hive right here were actually chewing out of their chewing the capping off to get out of their cell when I found them. So they're probably already out and in those hives by now. So as long, and there's drones everywhere right now. So as long as I can get those guys, or those girls, mated successfully, then we'll have 5 hives from 1 hive that had just swarmed. So that's a good day for me. I call it well, piss poor beekeeping, but I'll probably edit that out. Anyway, in that 10, now see, that's one of the only 10 frames hives I had right there. I normally work with 8s. And it's my fault, because what I did was, evidently I had made some manipulations at some point earlier in the spring and forgot about it. And the second deep on that 10 frame only had 5 frames in it, so they had already completely filled it in with comb, and had hung it from the honey super frame. So I had to, it's all rubber banded. I got it all out and rubber banded it into the new hives, these here. So those, so anyway, we should be okay. I'll take another video in a couple of days and let you guys know how this went, how many of these were successful. I would have split it into more than 5, but I only had 5 of these nukes painted and ready to go for myself, which is terrible this time of year. But the bees are definitely all over it. We can go over there and take a look if you want. I mean, they're everywhere, coming in from the field, all over them boxes, flying all around my head. They're everywhere. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick video to show this, how I did it and why. So if you've got a hive that's swarmed, and you know it's your hive, check the hive out and see if it's full of queen cells. If it is, take advantage of that opportunity and grow your apiary, recover from winter losses, do whatever you need to do. But as you can see, it's not hard to get 5 from a single 10 frame with double deeps on it, even after a swarm. So anyway, I got another video coming to you guys tomorrow for some equipment, and it's on how there's been a lot of people talking lately about the Ross Round comb honey production method. So I'm going to give you guys a video tomorrow. Keep an eye out for that, on how to build the Ross Round honey super, save you guys some money. So check that out. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. I try to get you guys a new video out every week. Sometimes it's on beekeeping, sometimes it's on building equipment. And definitely check out Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. There's a ton of articles there, as well as some really great products that you guys can order nationwide. So I'm Cliff. Thanks for visiting. Like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.